Well, here's another fan find from the past summer. This is a Galaxy 3700 fan. I believe this is, I want to say this is a 12-inch fan. Not sure. It's a mini box fan on a stand with a swiveling capability. I got this fan for a few bucks. Overall, pretty good score for that. These can go for kind of a ridiculous price on eBay. At least the newer models anyways. The later ones with like the 7 or 8 blades that you see or whatever. This is an older one, as you can tell, indicated by the older Galaxy badge there, and this is a 2-speed fan. As you can see, no handle, being a Galaxy. I haven't got around to finding another one of those package handle replacements for this one yet. I was gonna wait until I did that, but to film this fan, but I decided to go ahead anyway and do it. I added some feet there on the bottom to keep the fan from traveling, as it seems to do, across hard surfaces. And another thing about this fan is the grill system is designed in a way that it uses like plastic tabs that sort of pinch into place or whatever, and that design has pretty much all but failed on this fan by now. It's a very not such a great idea, really, on the quest for cheapening fans. Thankfully it didn't, that design choice didn't continue, because it's just not very sustainable. But I've had to tape a couple of the corners in place to actually keep it, you know, the way it's supposed to be. Take a look at the back here. This fan doesn't have a very long cord, not a lot of wiggle room, but there's the back. Motor brace is hiding the motor in there, which I believe is an RMR motor. At least that's what I think anyways, and I don't think I ever found any identification on it. Turn this fan back around. As you can tell, it has a swiveling ability. It's kind of a little bit stubborn to get it to work because it's a little over tightened or something right now, but if the sticker on the bottom of this fan was any indication, or is to be believed, this was manufactured in April of '72. At least that's what I'm going by on the bottom there. I'll go ahead and run the fan, show you what it does. Speed. There's low speed. Low speed's pretty quiet. High speed's kind of noisy. And back to high. There's off. Spins pretty good. See in there, but I think this fan cleaned up pretty good from when I got it. It was really dirty, but overall I like it. Just got to get a handle to put on the top there, and aside from the issue with the grill there, it's got a couple of scrapes on the sides from where people have used the swivel or whatever. But overall, not bad shape. Not a bad performer in my opinion. Sort of a unique and not so common fan to come across. Anyways, I just felt like sharing this fan with you guys. I hope you liked the video. Rate, comment, whatever. And thanks for watching again.